What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at one of the latest off-white sneakers from Nike, the Nike Terra Kiger 5. I opened up one colorway to do a little video. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check out my Instagram. And I'm gonna unbox the other colorway here on the channel. Now the Terra Kiger 5 isn't a sneaker that, quite frankly, I even knew about, but I feel with like Virgil's work, it demands some sort of respect. You know, it's definitely worth at least checking out from my perspective. Looking at early resale prices, when everyone got their pairs, it's already been like a week. Resale isn't really too high on them, which is with the spikes and everything. I mean, it's got a lot going on, so I can see why a lot of people are not interested in it. Small sizes are doing very well. The big sizes like me are probably close to retail, which, hey, it is what it is. Now it looks like Swiss cheese. It's pretty cool. A little, I don't know what the whole meaning for it is, but it's kind of cool. Now, it comes with the off-white yellow paper, which is nice. Now, this colorway is probably my least favorite. This one's very interesting. It's super bright. It's got a lot going on. I love the lacing system on this sneaker. Now, I don't think that the rope laces have anything to do as far as maybe locking you down a little bit more, but nice nylon upper, nice good premium suede. I mean, what do you expect? It's an off-white sneaker. You know the quality is always gonna be really good with these. You got the spikes, the treads on these, which is very, very interesting. As far as walking around, it's weird, man. It's very weird. It's just something you're not used to. So going, you know, walking forward and backward is fine, but going side to side, and planting and moving that way, it's a little off. I mean, the spikes, they just feel weird. It's not something you're used to. I mean, you can wear these down and they'll be fine, but maybe not an everyday sneaker, but it's still a dope look. And then you got the off-white tongue. The medial side is my favorite of the whole sneaker, and that you have like sort of like this tinfoil Nike Swoosh on the medial side. I like that look. I wish they put that tinfoil on the lateral side. I think that would be cool. Just do a double. I mean, I don't know. I know you're gonna be, a lot of people are gonna be 50-50 on this, and I can see why. I can definitely see why, because I mean, wearing spikes is not something you're normally used to. Who would buy these and why would you buy these? For one, I mean, if you're into trail running, maybe. If you want a little hype, you can wear these. If you just want to be a hypebeast and wear these every day, you could do that. For me personally, if I was going to keep these, I would wear these heavy if I'm going to like festivals or concerts, like on the lawn and stuff. I would wear these to the ground at those events. However, this one right here is definitely one of my favorite, and let's take a look at it here. Bane, you want to help me? No? Here we go. Here is the next colorway, and this is the one I really like I said. If I can get it out of the box. Here we go. The green pair. And then first look, first impression, let me show you again. And yeah, I like these a lot. I like these more. And these are the white. Wow, these are dope. Now, I didn't get the purple pair, the purple and black pair. That one actually was my favorite. This was like one of those instances where you don't think you're gonna win on any of these raffles, so you put your name in all these raffles, then you end up with all these pairs because you hit on all of them. This is the white pair, man. Woof, these are fire, man. It's white. I love the laces on this. This is like a neon yellow lace. Black swoosh, really nice. Then you got the hint of lime green here on the toe. Really nice look, man. Woof. Look at the bottoms, man. White with the green. But here you got a little bit pink on the sole. And then on the medial side, again, they're sticking with the tinfoil swoosh. And then here on the bottom, it says, on the sole, engineered to the exact specifications of trail runners. Worn to be wild. I guess. Not bad. And then on the inside, too, it's just yellow. You got a yellow insole with the Nike Swoosh. So let me know down in the comments what your overall opinions and thoughts of the Nike Off-White Terra Kiger. Are you guys gonna cop these or not? But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.